Today I'm going to dye a white t-shirt with used coffee ground.
I work a part-time job collecting coffee ground. All of this ground came from cafe in Seoul. I brought some of this ground home. First, I did some research. I looked up how to get the best color, how to make sure the dye doesn't wash out, and what steps to take to keep the color locked in. I needed a big pot especially for boiling clothes. I filled it with water and started boiling. I studied that temperature control is very important when dyeing, so I was constantly checking it with a thermometer. But the temp kept fluctuating, so I spent the whole time hovering over the stove, tweaking the flame. And while it was boiling, I started hearing the loud popping sound. Turn out when the coffee grounds settle at the bottom, the base gets too hot and causes a sudden mini explosion. It's called bumping phenomenon. Since it was late at night and I didn't want to wake the neighbor, I had to keep stirring non-stop so the ground wouldn't settle. The good news, the noise stopped. The bad news, I had to stir that thing for an entire hour. Boiling for an hour, it was time to put the shirt in, but we hit a snag. The guide said to strain out all the coffee grounds and use only the liquid, but no matter how much I strained it, there was still residue. Eventually, I just put out what I could and threw the shirt in. I was honestly worried if it would even work, but I kept it for another hour. The last step was denting. This is the process that helps the dye stick to the fabric, so it doesn't just rinse off. I added a mordant to the water and let it simmer on one last time. After that final hour, this is what we got.
그냥 이렇게 해서 하룻밤 묵히겠습니다. 한밤중에 그냥 두면 염색이 더 잘 될 것 같은데.
안녕하세요. 아침이 밝았습니다. 과연 어떻게 됐을지. 와우.
It's a genuine coffee colored can. I rinsed it with cold water, gave it a gentle squeeze. And hung it up to dry. Now the big question, will it bleed when I wash it? And even before the laundry, I wanted to see if it could handle sweat. And coincidentally had a futsal match schedule, so I wore the shirt as an undershirt.
그럼 가보시죠. 여러분 도착했습니다. 오이. 잠깐 뛰고 왔는데 중간에 괜찮은 것 같습니다.
No skin irritation, and the sweets didn't mess with the color at all. Finally, I tossed it in the washing machine. Once it was dry, I gave it a quick iron and we're done.